Hey everyone, for those of you just joining, my name is Farah and today I want to share with you a recipe for a drink for diabetics. Now before I share this recipe with you, I just want to let you know that this drink alone won't help you to lower your A1C if you don't cut out some of the unhealthy foods into your diet. And some of the biggest unhealthy foods in the world is from takeout. Takeout is chock full of preservatives and most things are deep fried. Absolute worst. Um, if you were going to eat takeout, I would suggest do it in moderation, maybe once a month or on special occasion. The second biggest unhealthy foods are um, foods that you would find into a grocery store. Most of them are processed foods. So you want to kind of stick to fruits, vegetables, mostly organic, and meats and fish, stuff like that. Even those things you got to be really careful with. So my suggestion is if you're going to be eating these foods that to do it in moderation, okay? So this diabetic drink has four ingredients. One is a green tea bag, one green tea bag, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of freshly grated um, ginger, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So to make this drink, first you boil the water and you steep the green tea bag for 3 to 5 minutes. You remove the tea bag and let it cool just slightly, and then you add your ground cinnamon and your freshly grated ginger, and you let that steep for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you add your lemon juice, and then you drink this drink. So I would suggest drinking this drink twice a day, probably once first thing in the morning before you have any breakfast, and then again before you go to bed at night. So what this drink is designed to do, it's going to try and cleanse your body. It's going to try and get rid of some of the sludge buildup that's inside your body from eating these bad foods your entire life. So like I said, stick to a healthy diet, drink this twice a day, and you should be able to lower your A1C. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.